That was weird.
Kersti Pitre.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kersti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you guys how I routinely style my curly hair and sort of give you guys a big chop update. The last update I did was 8 months ago, and I think it's long overdue, and I'm pretty sure you can tell that my hair is way longer. Yeah, let's get right into it. All right, this is how I slept in my hair in this pineapple. I just used a silk scrunchie. I love this thing. This one is a little funky with pattern. It really pops when I wear it with certain clothes. But I use these scrunchies. The one I have is black. But I use these scrunchies with my braids and my curls. And I've noticed less frizz, less hair being pulled out. Like when I take these out, I don't have a lot of hair that comes out like normally with normal scrunchies. Yep. Oh yeah, here's my other black one. So I have 3. And here we go. This is what my hair looks like. I've kept it in the pineapple. This is day 4. Wash and go here. We'll call it wash and go. Yeah, I'll just call it wash and go. I did my hair on Saturday, and this is what it's looking like. I did fluff it a little bit yesterday, but not very much. So this is, I'm gonna zoom in. Check it out. Look at the curls. Nice and glossy. Super pretty. Right? Y'all see that? Okay, and I don't know, my curls want to go to the front. I'm guessing it's because I had it in the pineapple, but we're not doing that bang look today. I'm not doing anything strenuous today, so I am going to go ahead and just wear it down. But it's supposed to be 91 degrees, and it's already like 80. So this is pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fluff out my hair. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me go get my fluffer. I'm not gonna add any product to it just because the hair still feels really nice and it feels really good. I'll probably do my edges or something. I'm not gonna do a deep part. I'll just fluff. I've been watching you guys. I've been watching you natural girls. So you're supposed to fluff here, then do it that way too. But fluff this way, fluff this way, right? We're gonna fluff it all around. I'm gonna fluff it all around. So that way, in case I don't like the other side, I can flip it over. You guys, this journey of big chopping has been very interesting. I'm very, very happy with the way my curls look now. Yeah, definitely felt some insecurities when I first cut my hair because, you know, I never had my hair that length. Not only that, I just didn't really like know how to embrace it fully, and I was not even in a good space to embrace it like that. But now I am, and when I do not wear braids, I do wear my hair curly. Some days I don't put it in a ponytail or any type of bun, no slicking down, nothing. I leave it natural. If I do put it in a bun, like this is actually I know my hair has gotten longer because I could put it in a really fluffy bun. Before I would try to put it in a bun and it would still stick out. So now I could put my hair in a bun and wrap it, and it could be a messy bun. So, okay, that's kind of fluffed out for me. That's fluffed out enough. She tripping. She want to stay over there, but she needs to join this side of the party so we can have some volume. So yes, I'm just fluffing out, and thank you guys. I know I'm just chatting, but want to just tell you guys that if you do this big chop, just be prepared. Like I said before in the last video, you will face insecurities because number one, maybe you've never had your hair that short before or whatever. And I know me, I loved having my hair long. Sometimes I still feel like the natural hair community kind of makes it feel like you know, you have to have long curly hair. Like long curly hair is the goal, when in fact that's not the ultimate goal. My goal was to get my curls to be looking like this. You know, no burnt colored ends, no heat damage. I do still struggle with split ends, but I think that's because of the braiding. The hair is plastic, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. It's laundry day, so that pile of clothes, yeah, it's gotta be washed. But that laundry pile has to be washed, but I didn't want to start the load because I was gonna film and it's gonna be loud. So to do my edges, I found a definite favorite of mine. This one is by Urban Hydration. This is not an edge control, this is a gel. It's by Urban Hydration. It's avocado oil, argan oil, coconut oil curl defining gel. It says protects color, adds moisture, repairs damage, defines curls. This is the best smelling loose gel that I have ever smelled. Like there's no scent like it. Nobody has a scent like it. So this is the jar. That's what it looks like. Here is the, sorry, that's disgusting. This is the consistency of it. It is like a Eco Styler, but it is totally not. It breaks apart a little differently than other brands. I laid my edges, and that's me, but I'm pretty sure other people could do it too. Like, this is gonna smooth your ponytail down, and I've used it for wash and goes, and this stays. And when you reapply water to it, it does kind of like reactivate. So that's great. Put it on my little top of my hand, handy dandy edge brush, and we're just gonna lay. Just because I'm not really going anywhere except to pick up my son, and then that's it. So I don't have to do nothing. I kind of did all my errands yesterday. I'll lay this side. I don't really need to, just because this is the side that my hair is gonna be on. But for the sake of just being uniform, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Ooh. All right, let's tip that back in there. But that looks good. What does this one look like? Right there. Okay, and I'm just gonna fluff it one more time. So yeah, guys, this is it. I'm really not. I don't have no major crazy nothing, and plus I don't really have any oil. I got my Chebe oil, but I don't really feel like my hair needs any right now. So maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll probably need some oil. All right. That's it, guys. That's my curly hair. So let's get into this big chop and a little bit of the update and kind of some of the products that I've been using. So I'm just gonna take a section from the back. Ooh, this is kind of cute too, but no, it's gonna be hot. My hair has grown a lot. I do need a trim. I am in need of that. So with my hair stretched out, ooh, it's just above my breast, chest. It's just above. In the last, I think it was like right here. So that's really good. Ooh, look at this definition. Since I cut it, my hair is a little bit curlier. The curls are really round and full and pretty, and I like it. It's still, my hair is still thin, but it feels like thicker. It's weird. I think it's because the curls are better defined and they're not damaged, so they're nice and round. I switch back and forth between the peppermint scent and this unscented one. So yeah, check it out. You can dilute it if it's a little too strong, but I find that it really clarifies. It removes the dirt and the gel and the buildup from any kind of products that I may have had in my hair, either from braids or from a curly style, okay? So, washing with Dr. Bronner's. And then I follow up with this product from Aveda. This is the Be Curly Co-Wash. So it moisturizes curly to coily hair, cleans the scalp, and fights frizz. It says it's a co-wash, but I'm assuming that's just a conditioning wash, right? Conditioning wash. So I use this as my conditioner immediately after cleansing with this. So this is my wash. This is my conditioner. I follow up with the Chebe Oil or black castor oil. I use both of those oils. These are my two consistent oils that I use on a regular basis whenever I feel like my hair just needs to be moisturized and whatnot. Be mindful that when you're putting this on your scalp, you will have like seed residue, because I'm pretty sure it's like handmade, like ground. All right, so I'll show you guys. All right, see that? It definitely has like a seed.
Kersti Pitre.
All right, that's as much as I can show you. That's kind of what you can see. I don't want to waste it, and there's some good oil. So that's what I do. That's my main things that I do. I'll wet my hair, right? This is just water. Then I really like this moisture butter from African Pride. It is very creamy. I can't really show you guys. Jesus. All right. I hope you got the picture. Really like the moisture butter. I'll spray my hair with water if it's not wet already, and then I'll use the moisture butter, and I'll use that moisture butter as my moisturizer. So whether I'm doing like 2 ponytails, 1 low bun, 1 high puff, and I just need to make sure my hair is moisturized, I'll use that and some water, and then I'll take some gel from Urban Hydration, and then I'll just kind of layer this in and then do what I'm gonna do. And that's about it, you guys. I don't really have anything fancy schmancy to share. A new item that I do love is this puff. Okay, it's not called a puff cuff. It's a cuff though, by Cantu. Instead of using a scrunchie or an even tighter elastic, you just put all your hair down. And then you take this little thingy. Oop. Okay. Get it around your hair. And it has little teeth, so you can kind of get it on the back. And then you just connect it in the front. And then you have this high pony. Yeah, so that's really cute, and you don't have to worry about like any scrunchies or anything like that. You guys could see this is really cute. I've been using that. I use this a lot for my like really everyday type of stuff, especially if I didn't like comb out my hair or anything. All right, so that's about it, you guys. I don't really have anything else to share, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this big chop update, basic curly. Get ready with me. Yes, you just watched a 10-minute video to watch me fluff out my hair and talk about my big chop update. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for, just stay tuned, because I am going to have some more content for you guys. But I really just wanted to film this because I'm like, y'all need to see real life. This is real life. This is, I don't have anywhere real serious to go. And you gonna get this fluff Okay, so follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Kersti.Pitre is the handle for both of those. Go ahead and check it out. And yeah, till next time. Bye.
Produced by Louis Avalon.